prefer them stay home and go vote on the 4th. Um, it is important that every Labourite go they go vote, or every well-thinking Jamaican go they go put the excluder beside the belt, and that is just my opinion, and I stand firmly by it because where we are right now, we cannot place the reins of power into the hands of those who we are unsure of because Jamaica is not at an advanced base that say yes we reach, you know. If we put the power in the hands of people who have been complicated up back 10 times worse than we were before we are where we are today. I don't know if you guys agree with me. So as such, we must stay on course with who we have and to continue the good work that is taking place.
Yes, sir.
So, like that, boy, I've been working from a distance to see how much more we can get other than the hardcore sector. So, my boots will be on the ground pretty soon. So, um, they go to my little piece, you know.
Yeah, Richard, let's continue putting the work.
Yeah,
We're
man.
from Empress. Empress?
Before Empress,
Hello,
let
good
me just
night.
Hold on. Richard got my last point.
let me have a last point. South Manchester, you know, I do, in my view, I think it is more festive, more active than even Central, if you ask me, you know. And
Oh, really?
said it in my opinion, because based upon there are certain things that you are not seeing that I have seen and me I say, boy, to me it looks sure a door. I hear a friend of mine called me today, him living in the Middle East, and I said, boy, I prefer the JLP win south. In the worst case scenario, win south now win central, and you know why. Worst case scenario. Let me put it that way.
Yeah, I understand.
Manchester, it looks good. If people don't go vote, anything can happen on the day.
Well, if we should win South, I don't see we losing anywhere else in Manchester. If we win South, a clean sweep, we definitely win Central. We can't win South and lose Central.
Neighbor will agree with me if we win Northwest, we win everywhere in Manchester. Neighbor will agree with me on that.
Exactly. Yeah, if we win South, we win in Central.
All right, let me rest for the Empress. Empress, over to you, man.
Yes, hi.
Fantastic.
Good
Take care of
night.
yourself. Empress?
Yes, sir. Good night.
Wow. Listen to me. Are you a real Empress?
Yes, I am.
Right. Wow. Then where's the king?
He's outside somewhere.
Yes? Wow.
Yes.
What you call him?
I call him hubby.
Hobby. Hi.
Yeah.
Good night, Hobby. Go ahead, Empress.
Okay. I'm from Northwest St. Elizabeth.
Yes.
And I have experienced strange things from the People's National Party. At the time, may his soul rest in peace, it was Mr. Buchanan who was the member of parliament then. And for some strange reason, I don't know if I'm privileged to speak. If I'm not, then you can stop me by saying
Are
that.
you going to speak about some history, man?
Yes.
Yeah, but we can't verify that is true, eh? So we'd rather you leave it.
Well, that's true. All right, I'll leave that alone. The reason why my family is very broad and everybody in there are laborites. My grandmother will be turning 100 in November, and she'll be going out to vote for Flight Green.
That's southwestern, though. That's southwestern.
Northwest. Southwest, yeah.
Southwest.
Yeah, Southwest St. Elizabeth.
Northwest is where Frank.
Yeah, so Southwest St. Elizabeth. I have, and my reason why I'm staying green and the reason why I choose Jamaica.
The real Empress is going to be voting green.
Yes, I have to. I have an accident where I had 2 surgeries that was done in Savlamar Hospital, and it was for free. Even though maybe I could have afforded to pay, I didn't pay a dime. I was treated very well. I didn't have to bring a sheet from home. for the nurses to use. The food was excellent. And for that, I will vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. I am not going to vote against something that saved my life and my dad's life. And to add to that, Mr. Holness been doing a great amount of work. I've seen it all around. I'm a person who drive around Jamaica, and I've seen his work, and I've proved that he's doing it. And I have teachers, I have friends within here that supports him, and I love what he's doing. And for that, me and my neighbors will be going out on the 3rd to cast our vote very early.
You and your neighbor? You and your neighbor, ma'am?
Yes, me and my neighbors.
Yes?
Yes, and I will be taking them too.
And don't leave your hubby neither.
No, he'll be going with his friends, his male friends.
Okay.
And I'll be going with my female friends to cast my vote for that lovely gentleman. I have been doing well in agriculture. I haven't received anything for free, but I have gotten guidelines from the Ministry of Agriculture where to improve on what I'm doing, and that's a plus for me. I have never seen anybody back in the days where I could say I could talk to, because then people were prejudiced that they speak to you through their glass window when it's wide up. And there wasn't any road in Northwest St. Elizabeth. There wasn't, it was like a donkey truck for where I am living. It's like a donkey truck, and it was Christopher Tufton who came and helped us to be driving and something like a Barber Green. It was and I appreciate the Jamaica Labour Party for what they're doing and what they will be doing further.
Let me ask you something, man. You say you drive across Jamaica, and
yes,
the sentiments that you have, do you find that in your travels that other Jamaicans feel the same way?
Oh yes, I listen to both sides. I've listened to labor rights and I've listened to PNP. And as the caller before
Did you say PNP?
Yes, PAINP.
PNP?
Yes.
But that's not their name, ma'am. It's a PNP.
Sir, if you should come in contact with some of them, then you would say they are PAINP.
I've never heard that. PNP?
Yes.
That's interesting. Why would you call them PNP?
Because they don't speak of, they speak on hearsay. That's how they speak on hearsay. They don't speak on the truth of actual things that happens. They said they hear say Mr. Holness is this person, Mr. Green is that person. They hear say this person is that person, and you can never ever convince them. When it comes down to accountability, they never ever accept that. You can't convince them, say that's not so, so you can't have a good conversation with these people.
You call them the PNP, ma'am?
Yes.
Oh, fascinating. Yes, I was asking you about the perception you have. What are you hearing from other Jamaicans as you navigate, as you travel across the island? What are you hearing, ma'am? Do you think the Labour Party is on course for a third term?
Yes, they are. I spoke to a gentleman. I spoke to a gentleman that goes down to you got
Your second point in measuring the result or attempting to measure the result is to look where both are starting from. So if Anderson is correct that both parties are now tied, look at where they are, which is not a statistics, you know, it's a fact that the Labour Party has 49 of the seats and the PNP only has 14.
Yeah.
Okay, sir? So in other words, to overcome the Labour Party, you cannot be tied with them. You have to be ahead.
No, you have to, yeah. So that's why I'm telling you, JLP is at head, but he won't say it. These guys are cooks, man. Don't listen to the poll, man. They will tell you that the PNP is ahead when they are not. They're just saying that for people who don't want to vote, sitters, oh, they win already. I'm not going out. Do you believe that there's a silent majority in the JLP?
In every country, sir. But let me tell you this. And here is one of the things that we must do as politicians. That's why I can't become a politician. Politics is by nature polarizing in Jamaica. As a matter of fact, too polarizing, and it turns off a lot of people. And I think what Holness has sought to do over the last 9 or so years is to practice a different type of politics. One that is less partisan. You notice that the Labour Party is saying in this election, choose Jamaica.
Yeah.
It's a broad appeal. It's a patriotic appeal. It's an appeal to the instinct of Jamaicans, to the senses of the people, to say, look beyond the politics and think about your country. You know, one former president of the United States said, do not ask what you can do, your country can do for you. But what can you do for your country? You know, I would put that to the teachers tonight, and I'm saying to the teachers that, well, yeah, you need to go to the table with your plans. But what can you do for your country? And you know, sir, here is part of the hypocrisy of this society. Here is part of the hypocrisy, because, you know, there was a time when these teachers agreed to a wage freeze.
Yeah.
Did you know that, sir?
Yeah.
These same teachers agreed to a wage freeze for years, not $1.
They're liberal, man, all over.
And you know, sir, I hear the ministers today say that the teachers are going to get an increase. But the government is in a position, sir, that they can offer an increase to the teachers. There was a time in Jamaica when the government was in no position
to
offer any increase to anybody. Okay? So the teachers need to ask that question too. What can you do for your country? Or do you think that the country is now in a position to pay you more? And if that is so, every teacher should vote for the Labour Party. You see?
What I'm saying right now, I think they should bring this into the school and start to teach the youth them how to vote.
And there's a high level. There's a high level.
Not how to
No,
vote.
don't vote because most Jamaicans don't vote of the economic growth of the country. You know?
Yeah. Why do you vote? And why you should?
Most of them vote because they love the man. My grandmother was this, love this guy, but you don't do that for your country. Don't vote of
You vote.
is working. Don't take him out and put in someone else who hasn't proved themselves.
I agree. I agree with you.
And that the younger generation must Yeah, and the teachers must educate them how to place their vote. Not because
That JTA president is clearly campaigning for the PNP, you know.
but he's gonna lose.
I hear him, the JTA president are talking about. Well, I'll take him on maybe tomorrow. I hear him make a speech there today, you know, about STEM school. You don't have to be so blatant, Mr. JTA president. You don't have to be so vulgar.
So he have to get back the contract?
Who? The JTA president?
Yeah.
Remember, the JTA president is elected by the delegates of the JTA, sir. It's the Jamaica Teachers Association, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Neighbor, there's a high profile.
Eddie, respect you here, sir.
Yeah, man, take care.
There's a high profile meeting coming up, neighbor, with the
tomorrow.
I mean, to be held at the office of the Prime Minister. Yeah, the office of the Prime Minister.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, that's tomorrow. Yeah, yes, with all the unions. So we're supposed to hear some good news tomorrow.
I think the opposition will be there.
The opposition is invited. They are invited. We don't know if they will turn up. We don't know if they will turn up, but they are invited.
Yes. Let's see who we have. Online. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Undivine. Undivine. Rick Taylor. Ian Dawson. Good night, Ian.
Yes, neighbor. Good night. Good night, neighbor.
Good night, sir.
How you do?
I'm not
thinking about the poll, yes, neighbor. I think this poll design, you know, and it's a little sham. Dan Anderson don't want to put his career on the line. That's why it doesn't say that the PNP will win. You understand? Because you know outright if Labour right lose and him say there is a winnings for the PNP.
Don't say that. Don't say if Labour right lose.
Neighbor, him can't afford to put in career on the line, you know. Because
don't say that.
No,
I think we need to be serious. I think we need to be serious.
We need to pass that. We need to pass that, neighbor. I agree with you, neighbor. But it's a trick.
No, we don't.
There's a trick.
We don't want Jamaica, sir. We don't want Jamaica to get any pessimistic view.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, me agree. Me agree with you.
The government in power, sir, should be the government going forward.
Yeah.
Right? Unless something drastically changes in the next couple of days, and I can't see what that is. The fact of the matter, sir, is that before the Jamaican people right now, the options to me, to my mind, are very clear. And we don't need to be hypocritical about it. We need to speak the truth.
Yeah.
It must be performance. Hold on, sir. It must be performance over platitudes. It must be performance over propaganda. It must be substance over spectacle. That's what we are about. We're not into no some fighting.
Yes, neighbor.
Some fight.
Yeah, for years.
We want to see where we're going. We're not blind anymore, you know, sir.
Yeah.
Our eyes need to be open to the reality of our times.
Yeah.
We're a people that emerged from slavery.
Oh, God, man.
And you know, slavery, sir, was a terrible thing.
Terrible.
Did you know, sir, that on the slave plantation, they would divide the people? The black people, sir? They would divide them. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Because they would put the same black man, they would put whip in his hand, you know, to put it on the backs of his brothers. So you on the man in the field of work today, and I go through the struggle, and tomorrow then promote him and put the whip in his hand, and he's forced to lay it on your back. Slavery was a terrible thing, sir. And the worst thing that is happening to our people today is that there still is an attempt to divide us, to put us against each other. And we need to reject that, sir. We are one people. And we may have different opinions when it comes on to our political preferences. But we are still one people, sir.
Still one.
And after September 3 is one Jamaica.
Yes, neighbor. But neighbor, the PMP, them plan all kind of strategy in labor. You know, so them black me nomination day, me couldn't come out.
Where you wanna come from?
I mean, you say it's not me alone. When me I leave nomination and ready to go home.
You got blocked in.
That a girl in a St. Mary. The PMP them block me in. So me can't come out, they now let me out now. And them a play them music and a blow their hand. While they was supposed to left by 12 o'clock. And all in a dust, then still up there blow on and I make noise. So them plan a strategy, neighbor, to try to block the part of the JLP. You know?
But you are optimistic though, sir, that the party will prevail. You are?
Me sure neighbor say the party will retain. If we lose a few seats, them still can override the amount we then lose by the last time. So the government will stay in power.
Yeah. Well, thank you, sir. Thank you for your contribution tonight.
Yes, neighbor, and keep up the good work, you know?
Thank you. Beanie man.
Yeah, man, you teach the people.
Well,
Good night.
right. Beanie man.
Good night, neighbor.
Good night, Beanie man. Is you way up?
Young boy
hold on. Are you way up across road there last week Saturday?
No, man. I who me talk like forward ever, backward never.
Rum in your cup. But what your name, Beanie man?
No,
you have
man,
to change the name.
Me are so
you have to change the name.
Why?
You have to change the name.
My granny give me a name then and she did. I'm gone now, so.
Beanie man.
We come down. Boy, anyway, neighbor.
Yes.
You hearing me?
I am hearing you, sir.
Yeah, man. Me, I want to look at you. I'm a young youth from Southwest St. Elizabeth. Fly Green Place.
Okay. You're a farmer?
Well, the whole Jamaica must know we're good. Don't start farm yet, but soon. Because I have all of my jippos, them, and I buy up my seed, them, and thing, you know.
What a nice thing that is.
But
fantastic,
the man is
brother.
Yes, man. The man that look good. I mean, I tell you, I'm a young boy, don't win 38.
You know, reach 38?
No, man.
That's why your name Beanie
Just
man.
Just turned 28, Richard.
But let me ask you a question. You know Beanie? You know Beanie? You know Beanie, sir?
No,
hello?
sir, I mean, I really follow up Beanie, man. You know. Because
no, man, are you may ask if you Beanie?
Are you Beanie?
Me? Are you Beanie, sir? Are you Beanie? You.
If me Beanie?
Yes, if you're a Beanie man. Beanie.
I don't really mean man. Alias name that man.
You little, and that me ask you. All right,
No,
fam.
man, no, man. Me big in a body, man. Me big in a body.
Okay. Yeah.
So we can differentiate this.
Yes. Very good. And the girls them.
But listen, my neighbor.
Girls them like
go on
to
good.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Girls
So
them-
we go on good. Me I tell you.
All right. I hear you, sir.
Flat green and put in the work, man. And you
Yes.
can count flat green seat. And for your count flat green seat, you can count Jamaica Labour Party going back to power.
Because it's the weather vane, bellwether seat.
Yeah, man. But me I tell you, say, Barbara Green got me a lock.
Road them fix.
Yeah, whole perform more the man fix, man. Whole heap. Bacon, Flaggerman, Treasure Beach, Watch Well,
Yes, I know those here.
Bluntas.
Yes.
The man fix whole heap. In put in lay Piper Slide, Arlington, Barbary Hall, Brompton. The man do a whole heap there. Whole heap. The man even a deal with the most important thing he a deal with down here, different from, you know, my agriculture, man. Education. Every top student in a primary school get a grant from the man. For your top student, you know, really better if you're a labor right pitney or you're a PMP pitney. The grant is dear for you.
Yes. Well, sir.
So we can't vote out a man like that.
Yeah, man. Respect to you. You hear, sir?
Yes, sir, I hear.
And you must link me, you know, because
Yeah,
you're in
man,
the farm.
enough respect here, too.
Respect to you, too. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. One flight green.
Yeah, man. All right. Cool. Mr. Murray?
Can't take me down.
Hello, Mr. Neighbor.
Yeah, man.
Good night to you, Mr. Murray. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well. Good night to your listeners, man.
Yeah, boy, we're having some problems here tonight, but
Take me down.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's something that the other party concoct. They're going around and reporting people live so that the stream cannot be as fruitful as it ought to be. Even yesterday, you may be familiar with World Dog. So
No.
World Dog. So this is a blogger. He lives in the United States. One of the main, we call him Facebook Hero. That was his first name. He was on his live, and as soon as he started talking about the Jamaica Labour Party, they start to report his live. As soon as he started to talk that he support the Jamaica Labour Party, they start reporting his live. So that's why you see the people trying to press F1 to come back.
They think that this is a Labour Party live? Is that it?
Anything, and even if it's not a Labour Party, but anything that speak truth and try to open the eyes of the people, they'll try to block it, because there's only two things, either truth or lie. And if you're not speaking the truth, then you must be telling a lie.
Well, I'm going to have to go in some prayer and fasting, sir.
Man, that's always work, man. That's always work. Neighbor, you remember yesterday we was talking about the
By the way, you know, I want the people on the line that can pray for us.
Yes.
Nothing beat far.
You remember the gentleman we was talking about yesterday that made a threatening comments about what he'll do if his party loses?
I understand that the police have arrested him.
He's in custody. Do you see? I saw it on Nationwide page that the PNP say that man is not a supporter of the PNP.
They said that?
Yes, sir. It's on the. I'll find it and I'll send it to you shortly. On Nationwide.
They said that he's not a supporter of the People's National Party.
He's not a supporter of the PNP. I was shocked when I saw that, sir.
Well then, hold on. So the folks that were in Crossroad, are they supporters of the People's National Party?
Because of the crowd, yes.
How do you I don't understand. What do you mean he's not? He said that he was a supporter of the candidate.
Well, the PNP released that is not a supporter of the PNP.
No, sir. So you're not getting the truth, right?
I'll it's just if I go on there now, it's gonna cut me from the live.
Yeah,
So I'll find it.
Well, anyway, I don't know. You see, sir. Well, that is why our people need to be careful and they need to take sleep mark that. They need to understand. Okay, because there you go. How could he not be a supporter when he has clearly declared himself a supporter of the candidate? I don't understand.
Yeah. I tell you, neighbor, it's this disingenuous. I mean, come out and condemn his behavior.
He did an apology. Did you?
I did not see it.
Hold on. Ranks. Thank you for the gifts, Caroline. Rebel Caddy, thank you also. By the way, listeners, I hope you have seen the live go tonight. It's 10 minutes to 10 o'clock. And all know, boy, you tell me, you don't treat the program good tonight at all. You should help us with the live go. And I see some of you asking for KC. Well, anyway, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, well, one of the things I will ask the supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party, that some of us are anxious on that day, and that the anxiety, I get the feel that is pulling over fear in a lot of the supporters. But first, if you can identify 14 non-performing MPs of the Jamaica Labour Party, then point out those 14. Because the PNP first will need to win 14 additional seats to be level with the Jamaica Labour Party. And then after that 14, they need 4 more to pass us. So show me the 18 seats that they're going to win to regain the government. What I need our supporters to do is to go.
Anderson, who is their main pollster, and there are other people who would argue that the station reporting the news is also favoring the People's National Party. They are not giving the election to the People's National Party. As I have said to my listeners, that if you take this hypothetically, apply an hypothesis to that argument, let us argue it, therefore, and see if we can come to a conclusion. If you are neck and neck with a government with 49 seats, then you are not winning the election from there. That's just almost impossible. So if the poll suggests that you are in a statistical dead heat, you cannot win. You cannot win the election. You would need at least to be ahead by 3 points. And if you are ahead by 3 points, the best result that you are coming out with is 33.
Right.
If you are at 3 points, the best you are coming out with is 33. Now let's look at this in terms of statistic. Right. Statistically, it's at 30, 31, 30, 30, 31, 32. So it will be 32, 31. That's the hypothetical statistics. Okay? But you have to apply the fact that you need to use the poll margin across the seats, because we do not vote. It's not a presidential election. It's a constituency by constituency election. Do you understand, sir?
Yes,
and are the listeners understanding? So then apply the statistical dead heat in every single seat. Yep. All right? And what you would find out is that you have to look now at the margins that those seats were won by. Right? So if you apply the statistics, there are very little favor that the PNP would find across the country. In other words, the elections would largely remain how they were in 2020.
I said, neighbor, if some, I wouldn't say miracle, because they say God don't like ugly, but if for some strange, unforeseen circumstances that would allow the PNP to gain government, I don't think there should be another election after that. They should just let PNP run the country, because if a government that is performing the way that the Jamaica Labour Party government is performing at present, and they can overthrow that government to get governance, then you don't need no other election, because it's not a case where you see it's not a case where you can say that the government is just performing. Oh, they only resolved crime, but the economy wasn't fixed, or they were only able to decrease poverty, but unemployment is still, every sector has improved. So if you have a government that is performing the way this one is, and with the commanding lead that they have, if an opposition that doesn't have a clear vision as to where they're taking the country can overthrow that government, then you don't need to have elections in this country no more.
You know, in other words, sir, if the PNP were to win, they would have to do better than the Labour Party did in 2016, no, 2020, when they took 15 seats from the Jamaica Labour Party, from the People's National Party.
Yes.
You see in this election, sir, the PNP taking 15 seats from the Labour Party. It would be a massive election night for the PNP.
I tell you, if that should happen, the Labour Party just pack up and go home.
The Labour Party would have performed woeful, and I think if that should happen, I don't know what would happen the day after that election. People would be in shock.
I tell the neighbor, I said, people,
I don't think they have to be able to handle this stress.
I said I'm telling the Jamaicans that are supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party, the well-wishers of the party, and I'm talking the PNP, that the PNP supporters that is wishing the Jamaica Labour Party well, because you have PNP supporters that will not vote for the Jamaica Labour Party, but they're not supporting this Mark Golding administration. So the supporters and the well-wishers of the party, don't raise your blood pressure for this election. What I'll tell the PNP that they're supposed to be doing now, they're supposed to be looking on who they are going to have to lead the party to take on the 2040 election. Because when we win this election, 2035 they won't be able to unite that party by 2035. So the 2040 election,
the next election will be 2030, you know, sir.
The next election, they're not going to be able to unite the party by that. It's going to take them a whole, because as much as you see them saying one market G, they will be slaughtering him from the night of the election. There will be such a divide that everybody wants to lead the party that it will take them the next 10 years before they might find somebody that they can put up to challenge when this government has fixed the country, when the only thing that they can do is to provide a plan that they're going to improve that which the government is doing. So what I'll tell my supporters and the well-wishers of the Jamaica Labour Party, do not get comfortable and complacent. Go out and put your vote and start to celebrate. Because you don't have only 3 terms, you have 5 terms looking on presently. Before the PNP will be able to challenge the Jamaica Labour Party government.
I want to thank you so much, sir. I want to thank you so much. Samari.
Bless you.
All right. Thank you so much. Excellent contribution. Excellent contribution. Well, listeners, it's 10 o'clock. How you all doing? How you doing? Oh my goodness. 600 people are still here. Sometimes I think I may have to do a whole night shift. Goodness gracious. Watching from Florida. My goodness. Boss lady, hi.
Neighbor, it's just my hand that caught the thing. My hand?
Yeah, okay.
So you can take me down. I'm just.
Well, Bradshaw.
Yeah, man, I'm here.
That's going to be for tonight, you know. I'm telling you that our shift is over. Listeners, I know that you are just ready for more chat and talk, eh? But we're going to check out now.
All right, neighbor, no problem. Night, everybody. Just remember, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow.
Yes.
But remember, guys, the next chapter starts Sunday in Sam Sharp Square. Very important. So even if you won't be there, tune in online because the various pages will be live. Tune in online because we're giving you more reasons to choose Jamaica. Come Sunday, so it's the next chapter. Yeah, man.
Fantastic. So until tomorrow, run about the same time. Lulu, where you come from, Lulu? Is this Lulu? Is this Lulu from downtown? Lulu, hi. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Take care of yourselves. You hear? Tomorrow, Casey will be back, and we'll have a fantastic all-island not curfew forecast. All right. Take care, boss lady Vinette. Take care, favored. Take care, everybody. Good night, Rebel, Executive Director. Kean, bye. On Fire, good night. Ingrid Hudson, good night. Althea, you have a blessed night too. The Chosen One, good night to you. Nikki, good night, Nikki. CJ Fabulous, can't believe my eyes. You got it right. On Fire. On Fire, good night to you. Blessings. All kinds of everything. Caroline, good night to you. Ebeneva, Kia, good night. Bye-bye. Yes, God bless. God bless. Derek Richards, good night to you. Eileen, good night. Sharon, bye-bye. Take care of yourselves, okay? Mr. Bernard, I see you, sir. Thank you so much. Cecilia James. Louis Coquette, hi. Veggie, how are you? 2 o'clock gone green, huh? 2 o'clock. Good night to you, sir. Yeah, having a day.
Hello.
Miss James, how you doing? Bless up, Gigi.
Not too bad. I'm doing good.
How are you?
You know, I sit here tonight. I sit here tonight and listen all night, and it was very interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Very interesting listening to your program. Yeah, man, and I was a counselor for Mrs. Juliet Holness.
I'm hearing you, ma'am. You're a counselor for Mrs. Holness?
Somebody else. And it was very interesting listening to you tonight. Yeah, man, I'm Mrs. Holness former counselor, the only woman counselor she have. She did have, and she still have, because I still play a role as a counselor same way, do everything same way for the party, because I believe in standing for my rights.
What you found interesting? What you found interesting?
Huh?
What you found interesting?
What is what we're interested in now?
You said you were listening and you found it interesting. Precisely what? Okay, no problem.
Right.
Huh?
Me enjoy your program. Me listen to every word where you say, and very good. Very good program you run, man. Anything to do for the Labour Party, member, senior, willing to do it. And how me play my politics. You see me listen since that when them say, you have the comrade, the long time comrade. I don't look on the long time comrade. You see how me work the party? I go around and all of the long time comrade yard. I try to take out the young one them and turn them in a Labour, right? So in a bull, it's Bull Bay me living now. 7 man Bull Bay. And every yard in a Bull Bay where you see comrade, we take out Labour right out there. And that's what we use and mash them down up here. And cannot beat Mrs. Holness. And can't beat Mrs. Holness. If you come a Bull Bay and watch nomination day, I like me as an old foot could go sit down. Every yard where you think of in a Bull Bay, you see the young Labour right them and come out. Because that is how we work. If you penetrate the old prime one, then you're not going to get go reach nowhere. Take out all of the young pick them out of the yard. So in every PNP yard, we have Labour right to come out there.
I hear you.
That will take and mash them down. And when we find out with them, I don't know for the rest of the area, but I know for Bull Bay where I used to run, the comrade, they don't do party work. When Mrs. Holness come Bull Bay, she come here 2016. And from 2016 until today, we have never stopped numerate.
Yes, ma'am. Well, you know, you keep up the good work and you must come on again tomorrow.
Not usual.
Don't come on so late, you hear? I have to go get a little rest now. I'm tired. And
I drive to Bull Bay, and may I tell you, I was so embarrassed when I run out there with my bell, and I shake my bell 2 times, the motorcade done. There was nobody. Peter King sit up on a van top, Damian Crawford on the van top, and about 8 cars behind them. So me never get no time for ring. But I start ring, the motorcade done, and I come eat back. And sit down and start. Let me look if everybody else up. Nobody.
Good night to you. You hear my dear?
Make me wait.
Yeah, Celia.
Make me
Celia. Take care.
Celia, man.
Celia. Bye-bye.
Take care. And tomorrow night, I'm ready to listen to you tomorrow night again. Love your program.
You must come back here. Come with me and you talk tomorrow, yeah? Bye-bye. He was a former counselor. I'd like to talk to you a little bit tomorrow. You hear? Bye-bye. Until tomorrow, my dear listeners all across the world, good night.
All right, take care.
Bye-bye.
Night.
Tashika Ellis, I'm not doing too well tonight at all. As a matter of fact, I came on a little late because I was just not feeling so good, but I know that the listeners were here. Within 5 minutes of our coming on, there were 200 people on the live. Within 5 minutes. I've never seen any live run up so fast. Thank you so much. Auntie, I've been telling them good night for the last 10 minutes and more than 400 of them are here sitting down still. Wow. Within 5 minutes of our turning on the live, it was at 200. Within 5 minutes. We still have 405 people on here not prepared to leave. But when I say I'm leaving, I expect the people just to log off, you know, and they won't log off. Well, I know that I am well. Lulu, is this Lulu from downtown? I'm trying to find it. Are you my friend from downtown? If you are my friend from downtown, I'm gonna need 10 pound of scallion. Oh no, okay, sorry about that. Where are you from?